Hey guys, welcome to the Nasa channel. I am Kesang and this is the first video of the NasaéMAKER series. This series will teach you guys how to make your own jewelry at home all by yourself. So yeah, let's get into the video right away. This video is going to be very quick and short one where I will be teaching you guys about the basics of jewelry making. I'll be talking to you guys about all the basic tools and all the basic materials that you'd need for you to get started with handmade jewelry. Alright, these tools are easily found in the market. It can be purchased at your local hardware store, or if not, you can always order them off of online stores like Amazon, Snapdeal and stuff like that. So yeah, the first and foremost tool that you would be required that you'd be needing for jewelry making are these. These are simple pliers, but the tips are a bit pointed. These are called nozzles. So yeah, these are the round nozzle pliers and these are very handy for jewelry making. The second tool that you'd be requiring for jewelry making are these. These are wire cutters and these are basically used by electricians and are easily available at hardware stores, and they are the second important tool for jewelry making. You guys can get a variety of cutters. The third tool that we're needing are scales. Geographers would recognize the scale. This is a Deepak scale and it's with me from my college days. So yeah, any type of scale would do. Scale. And the fourth tool that we'd be needing are scissors. Any type of scissor would do. I have this plain black big scissors with me, so any type of scissor would do. So the four important tools in order for you to get started with basic jewelry making are these: the plier, the cutter, the wire cutter, the scissor and the scales. So yeah, those are the basic tools. And now coming to the basic materials. Now materials depends upon the kind of jewelry you make. If you guys don't know, I have a store on Instagram, the Nasa store, and if you're coming from the Nasa fam, hi there. So yeah, and I make and sell jewelries which are made up of wires, chains, beads. So yeah, and the basic materials for those kind of jewelry are wires. These are jewelry making wires. So yeah, these are the jewelry making wires. These are basically copper wires plated with silver, and it comes in all different sizes and colors. I personally only use gold and silver because that's what works best for me. So these are the first basic materials that you'd be required to make your own handmade jewelry. Another thing are beads. So I have these pretty green glass beads, and you guys can use any kind of beads. You guys can go with wooden, plastic, metal, or any kind of beads out there. So yeah, these are the basic materials that would be required for basic jewelry making. And when it comes to wires, it depends upon the gauge. What is wire gauge? Well, it is basically the size of wires, and in jewelry making you'd be requiring different gauges of wires. So I will be talking more about the gauges in the upcoming videos, where I will be teaching you guys how to make your own cute little earrings and all that fun stuff. So I don't want to bore you guys with all the gauges details in this video. So yeah, that is all about it. The basic tools and basic materials that are required for jewelry making, and which you guys would be needing if you guys are gonna follow me along in through this series. So yeah, that is pretty much about it for this video. And before I sign off, I quickly want to tell you guys that there's gonna be a giveaway related to this series, and that would be posted on our Instagram profile, that is the Nasa store. So make sure you guys check us out on Instagram, and make sure you guys participate in the giveaway, because that's gonna be a fun one and it's gonna be very helpful if you guys wanna start on jewelry making. So yeah, And if you guys want, that is totally up to you. You can subscribe to this channel, which is absolutely free, like this series is. So yeah, that would be like nice of you to do. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay creative, stay curious. Peace out.